And welcome to another episode of Education by Spencer. Today we will be covering TEKS 67C, determine equivalent expressions using pictorial models. The question of the day is, given the following expression, 2 open parentheses x plus 1 close parentheses plus 2, determine which pictorial model is equivalent to this expression. Our key is telling us that the long rectangular shape will represent x. The light green square will represent a positive 1, and the dark green will represent a negative 1. And we have 4 answer choices that we must choose from. Now, what I would have liked to see you done is underline the question, determine which pictorial model is equivalent to the expression, and box in equivalent expression. And one more key word that I would like to see you box in, the word determine. Determine equivalent expressions. And one other thing that you should box in determine pictorial model equivalent expression. Those are the 4 key things that you should box in. Underline the question, and you do not have to circle because the information is already set apart. So we need to always use the cube strategy whenever we start off working a problem. Step 1. Which property of operation does the parentheses indicate in the expression? We have 2 open parentheses x plus 1 close parentheses plus 2. When I look at it, I don't think it's commutative because there are parentheses, and I can't put this in any order. Associative, maybe, but the grouping initially with the parentheses, I don't believe that I'll be able to do grouping because I don't see any plus or minus or division sign. Distributive, I believe I could use it. I believe I can share the 2 with the x, which will be 2 times x, and share the 2 with the 1, which will be 2 times 1. Identity, I do not believe I will get the same answer that I started with. And inverse, there is no equal sign, so I don't see myself canceling out to use the inverse operation. I will go with the distributive, and I will use my arrows to share the 2 with the x and to share the 2 with the 1. 2 times x gives us 2x plus 2 times 1 gives us 2. So your answer should have been C. Now, let's go a little farther or deeper into the lesson. In order to figure this out, we would have to group like terms. So, right now we know we have 2x plus 2 plus 2. This will give us 2x plus 4. Okay, let's go back and re-examine the problem. Given the following expression, 2 open parentheses x plus 1 close parentheses plus 2, determine which pictorial model is equivalent to this expression. Now, we found out that when we group our like terms, we would end up with 2x plus 4. Now, when we look at our pictorials, we should have 2 x's and 4 positive 1s. Let's eliminate our answer choices based off of the information that we have already gathered. Answer choice A is false because it gives us 2 x's, 2 negative 1s, plus 2 positive 1s. Answer choice B, it gives us 2 x's, it gives us 2 positive 1s, and 2 negative 1s. Answer choice C, it gives us 3 x's plus 2. And the last one is true it gives us 2x's, 2 1s, plus 2 1s. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next lesson. You should have chose answer choice D for this particular problem. Have a good day.